Hello kids, welcome back. Kids, let's learn colors name. Brown color, purple color, light green color, violet color, green color, pink color and blue color. Kids, in this video we will trace capital letter A, B, C, A to Z and numbers 1, 2, 3, 1 to 10. Let's trace. A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for eagle. F. F for fish. G. G for goat. H. H for horse. I. I for ice cream. J. J for juice. K. K for kangaroo. L. L for lion. M. M for monkey. N. N for nest. O. O for octopus. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rose. S. S for sun. T. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. W. W for well. X. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zebra. 1. O-N-E 1. 2. T-W-O 2. 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. Number 4. F-O-U-R 4. Number 5. F-I-V-E 5. Number 6. S-I-X 6. Number 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. Number 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. Number 9. N-I-N-E 9. 1, 0, 10. T-E-N 10. Kids, read again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.